We got a Honda Accord 03 and we removed the radio already, so I did have another video show you how to remove all that, so I'm just gonna install the 10.1. Now I'm ready to plug it in, basically plug and play. So I'm gonna check customer complaint about this thing. I'm getting hot, so set that out also. So right now I got the radio in, not in yet. Everything's gonna be all plugged in here. The only thing you wanna do, you wanna hook up this green one. I'm gonna test this too first. Usually the customer told me that this was plugged and his heat is not getting hot for some reason. So, and both of these are the same plug. So I'm gonna plug, actually it's a speaker plug. I don't understand why it's not, but it should be the same. I'm gonna try to plug this first since he have an issue with that. And it's the right plug. So that's supposed to control the heat. I still don't understand that yet. So I'm gonna plug all of these things in. Actually the USB right there, I'm gonna try to run it to the down here. And be careful running through here because it's can cut you. Right there. Did you see my hand? Okay, right there. I can feel your hand. Easy though, that thing can cut you like butter. One more. Right there. The reason I run it right around there because the wire is not long enough, and if the customer want to plug the USB port right there, you got it right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go easy.
Go ahead.
Yep, that's good enough. So now I'm gonna plug this in first, and I'm gonna test see what happened because the customer complained about the not starting, and you got the microphone plug in. So you're gonna look for the mic right here. See the mic? You want an external instead of an internal. External meaning it's out there, but that way when you talk they don't be like, hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So I'm gonna plug the GPS, just put it in. And turn it a couple, about 5 times until it's tight. And then now I'm gonna plug in the antenna. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug in this too, so that way it won't be much of a problem right now, because right there. And then I'm gonna plug this into the radio. I'm gonna play with it first before I put it all the way in. And now the antenna, I'm gonna shove this thing in there. Like I said, this is not a permanent thing yet. I just want to make sure this is right. Antenna can be put last, but I'm gonna do it right now too. This was installed by someone else, and I'm not sure what they know or how they do it. And I know the steering wheel ain't programmed, so you got to know how to program. In my other channel, there's a way to learn how to program this. So now I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna start the car. I'm gonna play with the heat, see if it's starting because it's really cold outside. I got to put my jacket back on. I'm gonna pause for that for right now. So plug this thing in, doesn't do anything, so I'm gonna plug the original one back. I don't know why they come like that and it's not doing anything. I'm gonna plug this, it's the same plug, so one of them don't work, put another one in. So now I'm gonna start the car up and turn the heat up high. See what happened. So wait for the radio to come on. Did we pull anything out?
Nope. I think you gotta unplug that.
Oh, I did unplug. No. So it's on. So we gotta put a dual or auto. I remember some of this cars got a dual version and a non-dual version. So that could be the problems. And I say auto and dual, so we're trying to find out if it's gonna get hot for us. So far it's hot. Yeah, so far it's hot. Yeah, it's all the way up. Yeah. Yep. So we're kind of checking on that, and I gotta change it back to English for temporary because I don't know how to. Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
You feel it?
Yeah.
So testing this. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's good. The heat is good. It's right now probably about 70 degrees right now. So it will get hotter, and then we'll adjust some more stuff out here. At high AC auto. Yep. This if you want it heat the back,
right,
or the up there, but so far it's working. So I'm gonna play with this one, and to program it I'm gonna show you right here. My other channel will show that, but in order to program the steering wheel, what you want to do, you want to press setting, and you want to scroll it down until you hit the steering wheel somewhere. I just saw that a minute ago. Steering wheel right here, click on that one, and what you do, you want to press and hold the mode button. That's the same as the source. I want you to click on this one. I'm doing it. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna press and hold this button, and then he's gonna press source. Yep, let go. So now I'm gonna do the volume up. Okay, that's the volume up right there. So I'm gonna hold that. Hold on, go ahead and do that one. Let go. And then the down button, hold on, not yet. Holding the down button, and then go that one. Yep. And then I got the channel up. So which one we're gonna use this for up? No, this one for up, and this one for down. It
for the channel.
Yeah, for the channel. You ready? This go up. Okay, that forward.
Up and down.
Huh?
I think this is for the CD. I think it's channel up and down. Up.
It don't matter. Once it program it, just change it a certain way like that.
Push.
This is up. To hold on. So channel up, press it. Just one time, one press. Okay, now I'm doing other one. Go ahead. Okay, and that's it. It doesn't have a phone pickup, anything like that. All this are cruise control, so it's not gonna work. Let me double check everything else. That should be it. Hopefully everything works, and then press and hold button, and then press OK right there, and it should learn. We'll see. But we got no sound.
You got the radio on.
Should be. So we're gonna go back and go to radio. So we're clicking up right there. clicking down, and then we'll press mode. That will go to the next one, whatever, Bluetooth, whatever. So we're gonna go back to
Angie.
yep, and then we're gonna change the channel. Yep, like that. So yep, so that yep, everything works. So you got radio, video, music, Bluetooth. He should have his Bluetooth setting already. That's a Bluetooth Spotify, and rear camera, he didn't want it done. And front camera, and click on that one. Play Store, you can download all those things. Call link, when he plug his phone in, it should link to this one too. So I'm gonna see if I can get his phone, and I'm gonna play with this one. Navigations, or everything's already plugged in already, and everything's working. So the setting, so this is really nice setup. It's a 10.4 inch screen, and then I install a lot of this. I kind of pretty familiar with a lot of this Honda, Toyota, and the heating control. That's all done by just plug and play on right here. So no big deal on that one. So I'm gonna have him bring his phone, and we're gonna try it out. So I'm plugging in the plug-in CarPlay right now. It should ask for download.
USB device.
Waiting for device to be connected. Connecting. So this two right there will ask to Android to download. So we're downloading the app right there. So once we download this app, it will success connect, and it should be screen, whatever screen from here, it will go to right there. That's one thing, you don't have to go to the Wi-Fi right there. Too much money. Connecting right there. So what does that say? Sikute. What's that mean? I think agree.
Yep.
I don't know what it means, but I know mostly it will ask information. Yep. So accept right there. So that's Android and stuff like that will come on, and whatever we add right there, we're at the shop right there.
Yep.
So we got that going. But this is not like a mail link. If it's mail link, it'd be different. So that's. It's supposed to be call link, not call play, but it's call link.
Am I in the right plug-in, Brian? This is USB.
It should be, yeah. It should be that one. Yeah, it's a call play thing. Yeah. Well, that's just for call play, so.